Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the chords to A Crazy Little Thing Called Love by Queen on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start with the intro with a D chord. We'll play the intro by strumming a D chord and occasionally going to a D suspended 4 chord by placing the little finger on fret 3 of the high E string, like this. Here's our D chord. And here's our D suspended 4 chord. We just placed our little finger at the 3rd fret while we were holding down that chord. So it's going to be strummed this way. And then we'll strum from the A string to finish it up. So it'll be strummed this way. Up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up. D suspended 4, up, up. Strum from the A string. And that's our intro. Now we'll learn the verses. Now we'll play the verses, as far as the D chord is concerned, pretty much the same way we did the intro. We'll play the D chord this way, and then we'll continue with some other chords. Here's how we'll play it, starting with our D chord. G, C add 9, G, D, G, C add 9, G. We'll follow that with a short chorus, and it'll be played this way. D, B flat, C. The B flat and the C chord are bar chords. Back to our D. Next is our bridge. And the bridge will be played by going to a G chord, C add 9, G, B flat, E, F. That was E, A, F. And that's a little break that we've got in there. Right after that, we'll do a short riff break that goes like this. And that's simply going to the A string 5, 4, 3 and the low E string 5, 4, 3. We'll follow that with an E chord 6 times and an A. Following that, we'll do a little riff that goes like this. So that's let's play through the entire bridge. It'll go like this. Next, we'll learn the chords that we'll need to play to back up the guitar solo. And they'll sound like this. We'll play it this way, starting with a B flat. 2, ready, B flat, D, B flat, E, A, F, our break, E, and that's how I play the chords to A Crazy Little Thing Called Love by Queen on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.